Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you how you can, as an admin, how you can mark a lesson complete or incomplete for your students. For example, if your student needs to bypass a lesson or wants to retake a lesson, as an admin, you have the ability to mark a lesson complete or incomplete for your students from the backend. So in this video, I'll show you the steps. So for that, first we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit LifterLMS and reporting. Here we can see all the students. We have to select the specific students that we want to work with. So I will choose this one. Now I will be able to see these students' courses and other details. Here you can see if I click on courses, I will be see that which course this user is enrolled. So this user is enrolled in these two courses. So I'll select the first one because I want to work with the first course. Here is the course details of the students. So now on the right side, we can see we have an option that is actions. These options help us to mark a lesson incomplete or complete for our students. So here you can see I have the first lesson and this user already completed this lesson because if I hover over this icon, I can see I'm able to mark this as incomplete. So if I click on here now, this lesson will be marked as incomplete. If I click here, now if I see that now the icon is different and it's indicating that now I can mark this as complete. So from this actions option, you can mark a lesson incomplete or complete with this icon. So this is a really easy. You can follow the same steps. And I want to mention another thing here that if you have a quiz assignment in a lesson, that lesson should mark complete or incomplete from the student side. For example, here I have a lesson. You can see I have a quiz in this lesson, and you can see there is no icon or no option as an action. That means you cannot mark incomplete or complete this quiz lesson. So if the lesson has quiz or assignment, you as an admin, you cannot mark as incomplete or complete. Your student should complete or incomplete from their side. We already have a tutorial on that as well. So this is how you can mark incomplete or complete a lesson for your students. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.